In today's video we are going to be analysing WEBR. So to get straight into it, what are going to be our resistance targets? And we can see on the 4 hour it has already come very close to its third deviation, which this does indicate that it is oversold, and that is most likely why we're putting back now. However, if we do get back to that level, that is going to be another key resistance, and it is going to be hard to get through that level. However, if we do start pushing up, we do also have a resistance just before at around 1040. So it's going to be 1040, 1225, and then we also got another one at 1265. If we continue past here, we have the next resistance at $14, then $16, and a final one at $19.40. Now, what is going to be most likely if we continue up and hit these resistances? So this 1030, if we have kind of a rebound play, it will most likely be to this level. However, if momentum picks up and we do continue up, again, I do think we're really going to struggle coming into this 1225 to 1260. So do take that into account. If we're able to break out of this level, we could see quite a breakout, and that would lead to a push to $14 or $16. Now, if we start selling off, like we are right now, kind of putting back, what are going to be some targets going that way? So we can see we're currently sitting on a support on the daily, which is our first deviation at 925. And what you're actually seeing now, and I will tell you this as it's happening kind of live, is when you break through these levels, as you can see we did here with strong selling pressure, we've come back now to retest this level. However, we haven't yet been able to break through. So as long as selling pressure comes in, and by that I mean if we kind of break back kind of down to this 850, we would expect this play to continue down and go to our next support level, which in this case would be 850, and then if we continue down 660, with the next level being at $5.90. So this level will be quite key to see if WEBR can push back up. However, if we are able to end up breaking this 925, expect a break over, come back, retest, and if that can hold, then expect a push to 1040. But to carry on going through our support levels, if we continue past that 590, what are further down levels we're going to be looking at? And that's going to be 475, 288, 250, and final ones at, or a final one at $1. Now, how far down is actually that likely? Really, this 475 is the lowest I can see it going, at least in the near future, because going down to 285 would be it would be about a 50% sell off from its 52-week low, which just doesn't seem probable right now. So the key levels I would be focusing on as we're recording this video would be, if you're looking at supports, the 9 kind of 25 all the way down to 475, definitely all possible within the near future. If you're looking at resistances, really, the 1225 would be key. If we break this, it's not something I would look to trade long, just because it is so overbought. What you'll most likely see is you'll get a strong burst of momentum, but all of a sudden crash, and stocks fall quicker than they rise. So it's usually just risky to play it long once it's broken through that level. Now that is the breakdown on WEBR. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe, and why don't you check out this analysis video here.